friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. I do all sorts of unboxing, lifestyle, beauty, jewelry, clothing, and today I have a Mary box. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And if you're returning, thank you as always for your loyalty to my channel. I'm filming outside today. It's probably in the high 60s maybe, and it just feels good to be outside. So I'm a little chilly, but I'll get over it. So the Mary is a monthly subscription. I will leave the price below and a coupon code for you as well. And it comes in a bright pink box. It had a ribbon around it, but I already broke it off during one of my disastrous videos. It comes very nicely wrapped, and it has all sorts of great products in here. So let's get into it. The first thing is this cute, I guess it's a glass. I probably wouldn't drink out of it because I wouldn't want to have to ruin the name. Let me see what this is. It is the custom stemless champagne glass. It retails for $16. Toast to new beginnings with this special keepsake. That is really cute. As you guys know, I love things with my name on it because I can never get it spelled right. And let's see, we've got this. Ooh, Goodness Knows Snack Square Mixed Berry and Almond, 150 calories. So I think I can get away with this on my diet. I think this is just a gift. I didn't see it on the card. The next thing comes in this nice little bag. It looks furry. Must be an eye mask for Valentine's Day. So soft. I wish you could feel how soft that is. And let's see. Oh, here's the Goodness Knows gluten-free square. Yeah, that retails for $3.19 for one bar. And the pink fluffy eye mask retails for $10. Rest in style with this relaxing sleep masks. That's nice. Things are just blowing all over the place. Then this is by Kate Morgan. I have these things all over me. And I'm not sure what it is as I chase around these little yellow things. Is it a pin? Oh, it's earrings. There we go. Those are kind of different and nice. And the earrings, Kate Morgan rose gold hoop earrings retail for $17. New year brings new pieces. These fashion forward earrings are certainly showstoppers. They sure are. They're adorable. And this looks like a palette, Esmeralda 2. I can get it out. A lot of activity going on here today. Sorry, I'm having issues. Okay, here is the palette. And let's, great colors. I hope they're coming out. Yeah, there's definitely matte colors and there's some shine colors. I'm liking that gold and the blue. So I'll have to practice with this. And the Beauty Creations Esmeralda palette retails for $21. Start the new year off right with the palette that brings a little bit of sparkle. So there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am missing something. It looks like there's supposed to be a lipstick in here, and here it is. It's CoverGirl Melting Pout Metallics Gel Liquid Lipstick. I don't know if you can see the color. It's kind of a weird color. I guess it's like a mocha. Have to give that a try. Yeah, so there were 6 things in the box. I want to say it was like 19 or 20, but you know me, I don't know. So I will link the coupon code and let you know how much it cost. Please don't forget to leave comments what you thought of this particular box if you like it. I like the champagne glass, but I guess because there's just one, I'll be drinking alone. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, you guys have an awesome day.